Alright everybody, I'm outside the governor's mansion here in Denver, Colorado, and I've got this project, which is actually good. Looks like they're removing, getting rid of the regular lawn, and there's xeriscape with native grasses, because it's perfect timing for that, because we're going to be running into a severe water shortage with hardly any snowpack in the mountains this year, and reservoirs and lakes running dry, rivers running low. So just kind of walk around and check this out. Well, actually I'll just hold my helmet up so you can see. This part of the governor's mansion there. This would be a good project. Damn it, I just got dead grass all over me. But alright. So I'm guessing they're gonna dig up all of that. But you know, it has to be done because I mean, look at all this green grass. You can't keep watering that. It's a nice park for the people in the neighborhood to hang out, and they have a playground down there for kids. And it's good they fenced that off a few years ago, because they're having issues with sketchy people in there. But yeah, so it looks like they'll go down to here maybe, and then yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. But it makes sense. You can't keep, we're an arid climate, and we've built beyond our capacity to deliver water. So this is the end of the governor's mansion. If I recall, like, this building here probably has mechanical stuff in there for the pool area. I don't even know if they still use the pool or not, but I know the governor doesn't live there. He gets driven back to Boulder every night by the state troopers. He literally lives in Boulder. I'll just keep the camera rolling, and we'll cut through here, and we'll show you the outside of the part of the governor's mansion so you can get a scope of how big it is. It's a pretty large property, actually. This is called Governor's Park. Looks like I can take a shortcut over here. So I guess that would be, you can see a structure there. I think that was the pool house. So let's get it's a nice property. See, governor's residence at the Boxer Mansion. It's a nice place. Now, what I've been read in the past that the upper level is the private residence, and then the bottom level is for public functions. So actually most governors never live there because you feel like you're in a fishbowl. There was one that lived there only because he wasn't one of the rich governors. I can't remember his name. He was, I think, before, he was a couple governors ago. I can't remember his name, but gosh, I can't remember his name. I'd have to look. He only served one term, and then he decided not to run for another. Didn't look like he had a chance, so I guess that's why, but he lived there out of necessity. But I know Bill Owens, the Republican governor, started to live there, and then I read he moved out because he thought, I guess he thought it'd be cool to live there, but you're just, you know, you have the second floor, but you're kind of corralled up there, and so he moved out. And Hickenlooper never lived there. He was a successful, well-off guy, so he had a nice big house to live in. Of course, Polis is worth $400 million, so like I say, he gets driven home every night to Boulder by our state troopers. shut this down now. Actually, I'll show you a bed and breakfast. Actually, I'll show you two of them. Here's one. It's called Patterson Boutique Hotel. It's some sort of certified landmark. It's the Croak Patterson Campbell Mansion. I guess it opened in 1891. Tavern here. Right. I'll show you one more. It's the Capitol Hill Mansion bed and breakfast. This guy, he's a former accountant, and this, by the way, is not it, but this is a really nice building that's broken up into condos. You can buy a condo there. It's really nice. But that's the Capitol Hill Mansion there. I think the guy that's owned it, he's probably owned it for 25 years now. It's very nice. Yeah, he's a former accountant, but he's the kind of the head chef there, and he takes pride in the property. So yeah. All right.